Hello guys, welcome to Teach Mathematics. Now this video is for fast revision of trigonometry basic formula and some question. Okay, now we can some basic formula in sine and cos. So this is our first formula: cos square x minus sine square x, cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. Now this is our first formula, and then this is basic. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Now second formula is what? Cos 2x, double angle into convert into first angle. Now cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is also important formula. Cos 2x is equal to what? Is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, in term of cos x, in term of sin x. Now first formula is what? Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Now second formula is what? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now second double test formula is what? 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Whenever cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1 in term of cos, and whenever sin in term of sin x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Two formula only this slide. Okay, now first quadrant, all sine, cosec, cosec, tan, cot all are positive. Now second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, cosec and cot tan is negative. Okay, now third quadrant is what? Tan and cot are positive, sine and cosec, cos and sec are negative. Now fourth quadrant is what? Tan and cot are negative, cosine and cosec are also negative, and cos and sec are positive. Okay, okay, this clear, this also clear, and this also clear. Okay, now next lies in our first question. First question is what? Under root sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to prove કરવાનું છે આપણે. તો firstly we can write, convert into first term is what? In trigonometry, convert into sin cos. 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sin square theta. Now take care into both side, sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta into cos square theta. Now this is 1 because of our first formula, and then 1 upon sin square theta into cos, 1 upon square root, and square are also cancelled, and sin 1 upon sin theta into cos theta, right? So 1 is put nitya sum sin square theta plus cos square theta, and dividation in positive sign. So cancel sin theta, right? And cos theta, and then tan theta into tan theta plus cot theta, right? This question is also clear. Okay, now compound angle formula. Okay, right? In whenever cos is there and sum of two angle A and B is angles. Okay, angles. Okay, now cos is there and sum of two angle. Firstly we in our mind, first thing in our mind, cos A into cos B, sin is change, cos is there, sin is change, and then sin A into sin B. Cos is both angle first term, cos are same in both angle, and sin are same in second term. Now in two angles and subtract two angle in cos. Whenever cos A into cos B, sin is change, sin A into sin B. Now clear cos. Okay, sin, this is mistake, sin is there here. Okay, sin A into Vide is change, and then sin A into cos B, no sign change, is equal to plus cos A into sin B. Now sin A minus B is what? Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Okay, प्लीज इसे अपने माइंड में 5 बार रिपीट करना और इसे रट लेना। अगर याद ना रहे तो फिर भी आप इसे रट लेना। फर्स्टली मैं आपको रिपीट करा दूंगा, कोस ए प्लस कोस ए इंटू कोस बी माइनस साइन ए इंटू साइन बी, कोस ए माइनस बी, कोस ए इंटू कोस बी प्लस साइन ए इंटू साइन बी, साइन ए प्लस बी, साइन ए इंटू कोस बी प्लस कोस ए इंटू साइन बी, साइन ए माइनस बी, साइन ए इंटू कोस बी माइनस कोस ए इंटू साइन बी। Okay, clear? Now this is example. You can solve your own side. We further on next slide. Okay, this is a terminology, right? Some basic rules or formulas in trigonometry basic, ये सब basic है। trigonometry के formulas तो इतने ज़्यादा है कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते, लेकिन हमारे इस वीडियो में सब बेसिक ही है। हम एडवांस लेवल पे भी जाएंगे लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। ओके, सो नाउ a basic term you know very well about sine cos sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now double angle formula is you know very well about it. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Whenever sin term is there, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Whenever cos term is there, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now whenever sin square theta is in double angle form, 1 minus, when sin is there, then its double angle form is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and cos square is there is pos. Whenever cos is there is positive, 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2, right? Clear this side? Okay, now sin alpha plus beta. Now sin alpha plus beta is what? Sin alpha into cos beta, no sign change, is equal to plus, and then cos alpha into sin beta. Okay, very well. Okay, this formula we prove over next slide. And then sin 3 theta, you know very well, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cos theta. This formula is proved over next slide very well soon. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos con theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. आप ये सब फॉर्मूला को रट लेना क्योंकि ये सब आपको काम में आएंगे। इससे सम करने में बहुत ज़्यादा इजी होगा, क्योंकि बार बार देखने से हमें टाइम वेस्ट होगा, इसलिए हम एक ही बार में सब कुछ याद कर ले तो इससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकती। सो वी कैन our next slide. Okay, tan alpha plus beta. Now convert into sin alpha plus beta and cos alpha plus beta. Now put their formulas. Okay, and then divided by cos alpha into cos beta, right? And then prove tan alpha plus beta is what? Tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into beta. Okay, clear? Okay, now tan alpha minus beta is same, it is beta is replaced by minus beta, right? This some terminology we can understood. Okay, now clear. The next, this slide is also clear. Okay, now this slide is also for cos 50 degree. अगर आपको याद रहे तो आप रख सकते हो अंडर रूट 2 प्लस रूट 3 अपॉन 2, राइट, इज इक्वल टू cos 15. Okay, okay, now this slide is also take a screenshot and try to solve it. LHS is equal to RHS, बट ये दो आप रख लेना क्योंकि आप सबको काम आएंगे। cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c whenever a plus b plus c is equal to 80 degree, right? A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, right? And then 1 minus 2 cos a into cos b into cos c. Okay, अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है तो आप ये भी कर सकते हो, a is equal to some angle, b is equal to some angle and c is equal to some angle, बट ये तीनों एंगल के सम 180 डिग्री ही होने चाहिए। ऐसे आप सब एंगल रख के LHS is equal to RHS भी प्रूव कर सकते हो, नो डाउट इसमें। और ये इजी मेथड होगा तो ये सब अपने आप में आप अपने माइंड में रखिएगा। ओके, नाउ Next slide, take a screenshot. These three formulas are also you understand, and try to solve it. And cube u, cos cube u, and sin cube u, you know very well. Okay, and then this is also important. Okay, now some question solve karte hai. Okay, now this is a question. Okay, now LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now 10a plus sec a minus 1 upon 10a minus sec a plus 1. Okay, now we can solve it. ઓકે 1 ની જગ્યાએ આપણે નિત્યસમ મૂકીએ. ઓકે, એટલે sec સ્ક્વેર a minus tan સ્ક્વેર રાઈટ, બીકોઝ એ નિત્યસમ है ना. 1 plus tan स्क्वेर a is equal to sec स्क्वेर a, राइट. तो इसके जगह पर हम नित्यसम मूकेंगे बिकॉज ये सारे के सारे टर्म टेन और सेक के फॉर्म में है, तो हम वहां पे टेन और सेक का ही नित्यसम मूकेंगे. हम ये साइन कोस में कन्वर्ट करके भी सोल्व कर सकते हैं, नो डाउट उसमें वो, लेकिन ये थोड़ा इजी हो जाए क्योंकि ये इसमें टेन है प्लस सेक है कॉमन निकलता है और बाकी जो पद है ना वो हट जाता है और ज़्यादा इजी हो जाता है इसलिए. और ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. फाइनल आंसर 1 प्लस साइन है अपॉन कोस है तो कॉमन है तो 1 प्लस साइन है. दिस इज आवर RHS. ओके, नाउ फॉर द स्लाइड also solve our second example. Firstly, we think in our mind this term is also important. This term sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. We know very well about it. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, right? But इसका ऑपोजिट भी हमें याद रखना है बिकॉज ये भी काम आ सकता है. sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, right? Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta ના છેદમાં sin theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, right? Now we can solve our next question. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta, right? Okay, now this is so easy question, but इसमें हमें टर्म RHS में क्या दिया है, टेन और कोट के टर्म में, राइट? तो हमें इसमें टेन और कोट के टर्म में ही रखना है, लेकिन हम कोट की जगह पे 1 अपन 10 तो लिख सकते हैं, तो बस उसको वहां पे लिख कर उसको सोल्व करना है, बस सिंपल. और एंड देन वो फर्स्टली ये सब फॉर्मूलाज पे आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब इज व्हाट, ए माइनस बी, राइट? ए स्क्वेयर साइन चेंज इज इक्वल टू ए बी, राइट, प्लस बी स्क्वेयर, राइट? ये सब भी आपको माइंड में रखना हो और यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है और ये टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ये आपका आंसर है, राइट? क्लियर? एंड these are also nitya sums. We can recall it. Now this is amplification 10 formula 10 alpha plus beta, right? Whenever 10 75 not recall because 75 का एंगल का 10 में हम नहीं याद रख सकते, राइट? तो इसलिए हमें यह फॉर्मूला यूज करना है 45 प्लस 30 डिग्री. तो 10 75 इज इक्वल टू 10 45 प्लस 30, राइट? तो 10 अल्फा प्लस बीटा मीन्स व्हाट, 10 अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज व्हाट, 10 अल्फा plus 10 beta 1 minus 10 alpha into 10 beta, right? Same it is here, 10 45 plus 10 30 1 minus 10 45 into 10 30, right? And put their value and simplify that because this is also not required, so that's why root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. ये तो आपको शायद टेंथ में ये सब आता है, तो इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि ये सबको याद ही होता, इसलिए ये करके छेद से हम रूट निकाल सकते हैं और ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर है. ये एंगल आपको याद रखना हो तो रख सकते हो आप लोग, 2 प्लस रूट 3, राइट? क्लियर? ओके, नाउ मैंने कहा था साइन 3 थीटा का हम फॉर्मूला आज डिराइव करेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द सेम मेथड. What is 3 theta? 3 theta is what? 2 theta plus theta, right? Put here and take a formula and then cos 2 theta is convert into sin term. So what we can Yeah, 2 sine square theta, right? And simplify that and answer 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, right? Clear all? Now our next question, reciprocal and continent identity. This is some criminal knew very well. પછી Pythagoras identification we know very well. Sum and differentiation identities, okay, knew very well. Double angle identities you know very well. Half angle identities you know very well, but sometimes you recall it, okay? Take a screenshot and recall it, okay? Okay, now next question is what? 2 by 3 cosec 58 degree minus 2 by 3 cot 58 degree into 1032 minus 5 by 3 1030 into 1037 1045. You know very well this is value is 1, right? ये सब थोड़ा थोड़ा तो हमें याद रखना ही चाहिए. 1053 into 1077. Now 10 and cot is here, so this sum is no 90 degree, right? So this is also equal answer. Cos square 58 degree, right? Cos square 58 degree is what? Cos square 58 sum. Okay. Now okay. 1032 is not 90 degree, but 1032 is cot 58 degree, right? Okay, so cot square 58 degree, right? And then take anything sum. So firstly term is in term 2 by 3, right? And then right now this is 90 degree, this next, so sorry, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, right? So these are also cancel and minus 5 by 3, right? This is answer. सब सिंपल है, इसमें ये सब हमें देखना नहीं है, ये तो सब बिग बिग है. हमें सिर्फ यही देखना है कि टेन है, राइट? टेन का एंगल है और अदर टेन का एंगल अगर जो 90 डिग्री होता है तो वो 90 डिग्री होता है तो उसका आंसर 1 ही होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ जिसका जो ज़्यादा, राइट? लाइक इन दिस एग्जाम्पल 30 degree and 77. Now convert into cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is what? 1 upon 10 30 degree. 10 30 degree we can't allow. तो हम ये रूल ही बना लेते हैं कि वेन एवर टेन इज हेयर एंड टू एंगल इज सम ऑफ द 90 डिग्री, तो these are also cancel. Okay, now clear? Okay, for the next, this is your own side example. You can solve it. Any problem we solve our next video. Okay, this is so we last our session. Okay, bye, thank you.